answer are both sides. Answer no if diploma can be replaced by competency, capability, literacies, then I think the residential education could be ended in less than 50 years. On the other hand, especially for in Chinese societies, diploma still is very important. Unless we can change the concept, then my answer is no. If diploma is still the key issues. I recall one time I discussed this issue with the former president of National Taiwan University, President Li. He said he is very confident MOOCs cannot replace, no matter how many students took NTU's MOOCs, but no one can get diploma from NTU unless he or she is a registered student. That's why President Lee is so confident that residential education won't be replaced.
Maybe I'll first start by telling you another interesting story along the lines of Steve Ward's story. There's a very famous paper written about 100 years after the printing press was invented in the mid 1600s, where this paper talked about handwritten books, manuscripts, where the paper lambasted the printing press came out. It was called the Walmart of books. Before that, monks used to hand write and translate and transcribe manuscripts all by hand. And so this paper talks about how the printing press will never replace the book, will never replace the handwritten manuscripts, and monks will always have a job. They will always be for high quality learning, which had the imprimatur of the institution of the monastery that created those books. That would never ever be replaced by the textbook. And the textbook would be a cheap, low quality, third-rate thing for the masses of some people. So see where things are today. So that seems to imply that the world may go the way that Steve suggested. I think slightly differently. I think 50 years from now, there will be a residential university. Just that what the university does is going to be completely different from what we do today. It could be that there are many ways you can think about it. It won't be what we have today. One fantasy could be that if you're very, very, very rich, then you can afford to pay huge amounts of money and go to this country club for 4 years, where you play sports. It's hard to play football and hurt each other online. So you play sports all day long, and you drink beer and other fluids, and then you go and learn online. So all the learning is done online, but maybe you do other activity on campus. So what happens in the university will change. Maybe you get a diploma locally, but everything is, learning is online. So we don't know what the university will look like. And I think that is one way in which things could evolve.
Well,